Welcome to Tip of the Day, number 11. In our previous tip, we explored our Google Drive and its capacity to store all of your files in the cloud. There are many other things that your Drive has the capacity of doing. Today, we are going to explore what you can create from your Google Drive. Going to the plus or new button, you will discover that you can create folders to organize your files, upload a single file from your device, or even upload a whole folder containing several files. Besides that, you can create Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. Docs is a word processor. Google Sheets, it's a spreadsheet tool. Google Sites is a presentation tool. But not only that, you can also create Google Forms, Google Drawings, My Maps. It is a very interesting tool. Sites. You also have audio editors, diagram creators, and more. Now that we have discovered what we can create, we are not going to get into each of the tools, but we're going to learn two important things. We're going to learn how to share and collaborate. So all of the Drive or all of the G Suite tools allow us to easily share and collaborate. Now, when you are ready to share your work, let's say that you want to share this Gantt chart, you're going to press the share button and you will find different options. Exactly. You can collaborate or you can share. If you want to invite people to work with you, for example, I'm going to invite David. I can decide the type of permission that he is going to have over my document. I can make him an editor. That means he will be able to modify the information in my document. He can be a viewer. That means he will only be able to see my document. However, anyone who has access to this document will also have the capacity of making a copy of the document. And I can also decide if I just want to make him a commenter. Commenters can make suggestions, can add comments to sections of my document. It is up to me whether I accept or reject those suggestions and also resolve those comments. That's what David's going to be able to do, either be a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. In this section, you can decide whether to add a notification or not. I advise you to add a notification so people know that they have been added to the document, and of course, write a message to let them know why you are sharing the document. If you are working with a group of classmates on a collaborative task, make sure that all of them are editors. Now, that's collaboration. We're gonna take a look at sharing. If you're ready to publish your work or to share it with your teachers if you want to, you can change these restrictions. In this case, only people added, that means only the people you added in the collaboration block will be able to access your document. If we click on it, it will automatically change it to all of the people in Colegio de Grolea Americano. We can also make it external by saying anyone with the link can view this document. You can copy this link, embed it in a Google site. You can also turn it in Google Classroom. And this way, your document will be shared. And you can decide again what you want people that will have access to this document do. People with that link will be able to view the document, comment, or editor. So there are different levels of permission that you can add to your document. Okay. If we go back to Colegio de Carolina Americano settings, you can add more restrictions. So for example, you can tell your Drive to let people search for the file. And this is gonna make it available for them in their search bar whenever they look for it in their drives, okay? You can do exactly the same thing with Google Docs, and you can do exactly the same thing with Google Slides. So in this Google tip of the day, we learned how to properly share and collaborate with the Drive documents. Remember, you can give permissions as viewer, editor, and commenter. See you in our next tip of the day.